Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening Google Forms. Once you're in, pick either a blank form or a survey template. Make sure you already have 5 to 10 core questions and a clear target audience, because that shapes question types. You'll name the form now, add a short description that explains purpose, and set response collection to the appropriate account. Once done, enable required questions for essential data, and choose whether to collect email addresses or allow anonymous responses. You now add questions, mixing multiple choice, drop-downs, short answers, and linear scales so you capture both quantitative and qualitative data. As you go, group related items into sections and apply section-based branching to guide respondents only to relevant questions. Make sure to add response validation for emails, numbers, and minimum lengths to reduce bad data. Once done, customize question order and shuffle options where needed to avoid bias. Preview frequently to test the flow and logic before widespread distribution. You finish by configuring settings, decide whether to collect emails, restrict to one response, and allow responders to edit after submission. Customize the look and confirmation message, then link the form to Google Sheets for automatic data export. Share via link, email, or embed code and set permissions for viewers. If anything goes wrong, first test the live link yourself and check form sharing permissions. If problems persist, clear your browser cache. Test in an incognito window, or adjust collaborator access to fix response visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.